Hi, this is Sasha with SkeinShop.com, and I am going to show you today how to join two pieces of knitting using Knit2 together. If you've ever done a 3-needle bind off, this is really similar. We're just going to be skipping the binding off step. This is a really nice way to join pieces when you want to be able to keep knitting with one of the yarns later. So I have two little swatches here, each with 10 stitches, and I've decided that I want to keep knitting with the blue yarn. So I will hold the two needles side by side, get those stitches pushed up a little bit, get my blue yarn ready to knit. And now with my empty needle, I'm going to knit two together, but instead of going through two blue stitches, I'm going to go through one blue stitch, one purple stitch, and knit those two together. Then we can slide each of them off. So through the blue stitch, through the purple stitch, knit two together. You'll just repeat this for each stitch, and it makes a really wonderful smooth seam that stretches just as much as the rest of your knitting because it's made of knitting. I'll get down to the other end so that we can take a look at what it looks like when you've finished the maneuver. But as you can see, it's really pretty quick. If you can knit two together, you can do this. Here's our last one. And now we're ready to keep knitting. You can see on the front, nice and smooth. On the back, you'll have some purl bumps that have both blue and purple. And when you look at the inside, it's also nice and smooth.